Created channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to code for beginners using the Grasshopper app by Google. Here it is. I've been using it for quite a while now, but I wanted to show you how it is done, and I hope it will be enjoyable. So before we start off, remember to click the subscribe button, notification bell, like, comment and share too. So obviously the first step is to install the app, which I already did. It's over here. So you can pause the video and resume it after installing the app. So let's tap onto it after it's installed. After that, you'll see Grasshopper code with Google program. Yeah, how much experience do you have with coding so far? No experience so far. Okay, next. You have to learn all this, read whatever it is saying. Okay. Why am I here to learn code? I'm just curious because I'm a beginner. Looks good. Let's start coding. Yeah, so from there you'll see let's start coding. In this puzzle you'll draw the French flag with code. Okay, so the instructions are to use the drawbox function to add 3 new block boxes, blue, white and red. So next, our goal is to create something like this. This is a French flag, I guess. Next, here's our solution so far. So let's start the puzzle. So half the code is already written, so let's write the other half of the code. So drawbox, they'll just lead you step by step. Blue. Then to run the code, let's play it. You see, it's now blue. So let's tap back inside the code view to continue writing the code. Tap onto the empty box down there. Okay, then drawbox, then white. Play. Okay, drawbox again by tapping the empty line there. Drawbox, red, then play. From there you'll see congrats, you drew the French flag and you wrote your first JavaScript program. Next lesson. So if you want them to send you notification via the email excuse me, or via the push notifications, just you'll see the on button and the off too. So they just took us straight to the Gabonese flag. As you go higher, the things become more complex. The higher you go, the color it becomes. I hope you understand it. So the priority here is to draw the Gabonese flag using code. So we are gonna follow the instructions up there. Complete the Gabonese flag. Add 2 new drawbox functions with the argument yellow. So what they're saying in simple terms is add another drawbox below with the yellow and a drawbox again with yellow. So you see the green one, there are 3, and this drawbox is for yellow, they're also 3. So let's run the code. Yeah. So after every new drawbox, you must add a new line in order to create like a new paragraph. So let's go to the instructions again. Add 3 more drawbox functions, this time with the argument blue. So the same, we add a new drawbox with blue. Like the first one, we're gonna add this 3 times. So draw box blue, draw box again blue, then tap play. So we completed our Gabonese flag. So we can go back and see what we did. Green, green up there, yellow, yellow, then blue. So when you tap the play, you're gonna see congrats. Okay, the next lesson. You can also share it. Okay, if you wanna back up your progress, just remove it accidentally. But you're gonna see it. So each day you're going to be given daily bonuses when you just enter the game. So this will give you points. So let's tap the daily bonus. Then we get 22 points actually. So let's go to how many blue. Okay. Starter. These are the starter questions. How many blue boxes will be drawn from this code? Draw box orange, draw box blue, orange, new line. You can choose any answer. For me, I'm just gonna choose Z2. I don't know if I'm correct. Not quite. So use the function. So drawbox is a function. A function tells a computer to do a certain thing. Functions can take arguments to give the computer extra info. For example, drawbox red has red as an argument, telling the computer to draw a red box. So continue. You must not skip these lessons. They're what are gonna help you when you climb up as you go on with your coding. Okay, the Gabonese flag helper. I'm gonna finish over here just to give you more knowledge. So as I say, the first thing, not an option, is to check the instructions, because they're the main thing that are going to lead you into creating your code. So complete the Gabonese flag, add a new line function. Just follow what they're gonna say, new line. Next, use the draw boxes function to create a blue stripe. The draw boxes function, tap the string key. Yeah, string key. Then put blue. You see this is green in 3, G, 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 Y, Y, Y. So we're gonna put B, B, B. Play, run the code. Yeah, that's how we completed the Gabonese flag helper. So guys, I hope this coding lesson was somehow helpful and even entertaining, and leading you to do something like this during this pandemic. It will also help you to it will keep you busy. 5 minutes a day makes you better and better. So that's it for today. But before I forget, if you want to learn what is code again, as in if you didn't quite catch it, you can just go here, what's code, the starter questions to make you sharper. What is code? A type of grasshopper, sit in Kansas. It's how we communicate with computers. That's what we learned at first. Okay, what's coding? The sound a grasshopper makes when it rubs its wings. Writing instructions for a computer to follow. Dancing with codfish. Okay. So, I think it's writing instructions for computers to follow. which language are we using here. Computers understand many different languages. In Grasshopper, what language are we learning? Basically, you're learning JavaScript. It's much simpler. JavaScript. Yeah, continue. And what can it do? There are many things code can do. It can create games, website, etc. So it can't build a miniature space, obviously. Create a website. Yeah, you can also use this to create websites. Yeah, obviously create a website. Continue. Okay, next course. So that's how I learned how to code. I hope it has helped you. As you go on, you can also go to the code playground as long as you have a strong internet connection. Code playground. But before you go there, you need to sign in with your Google account, which I don't want to. But yeah, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Also share this